guys, I'm in this really cool hotel, and I just like the ambiance here. Okay, so this is my apartment. I'll show you guys. I'll take you guys inside in my next video. Hey. So I'm in this really cool apartment in Aburi, right? This place is beautiful, like really beautiful. I'm going to spend 2 nights here. Look at the view behind me. Okay, can you guys see all of this? Yeah, cool, right? Here. So I'm going to spend 2 nights here. I got here yesterday, so I've already spent 1 night, and I'm looking forward to this evening because I'm gonna enjoy. And their food, oh my gosh, their food is so cool, like really nice. It has a homey feel, and yeah, I love the place. And it has a pool, but I still can't swim. 2022 goes loaded. I'm going to learn how to swim soon, yeah? I really love this story bed slippers because it feels different, like a different vibe here and a different vibe here, and it describes my personality very well. Because this one is an anchor, and this is the ship's wheel or something. Yeah, I hope I'm right. No, let's go to the pool area. Yeah, it's going. How to pronounce the name of this apartment, so I'll put it right here. Good morning, guys. For the first time, I'm going to ride the quad bike. I'm going to ride it to the ADOM Waterfall. It's not far from my vicinity. And also this morning, the weather was super cool. It was foggy, it was breezy, like it was super cool. I really enjoyed my sleep today. Honestly, Aburi is a place that I would really love to own a house, because this place is... The weather here is different from Accra. If you've been to Aburi several times, then you know that the weather here is nice as compared to Accra. Yeah, so I can't wait for my quad bike experience. Last time I went to a waterfall was in Kintampo, and it's been almost 3 years since then. I've never been to a waterfall, so today is going to be my first time in a long time going to a waterfall. For now, let's go take breakfast and get ready. This is what I'm having for breakfast. There's oats. I don't take oats, so I'm not going to take it. I'm just going to go with the juice and the omelette and the toast. The bread is so toasted, okay, and the bread and the sausage. This is some leftover meat from last night. Okay, guys, so the quad bike ride is not coming on. I'm going to drive there, yeah, and walk to the waterfall, more like a hike to the waterfall. But before that, I want to give a very brief tour of the whole place, the whole apartment. So this is basically the washroom. I like the fact that we have like artworks all over the apartment. We have books here. Yeah, we have some books here, and we have sanitary pads, guys. Can you imagine? That's so thoughtful. And this is just the bathroom. It's this basic bathroom, and the mat is dirty, and the seat, mirror. And this is me. Do you guys love my braids? Because I love these braids. Braids by Candy's braids. This is the knotless braid. Yeah, so nice. Her handle will be right here, so go check her out on Instagram and tell her Jenny hooked you up, okay? Give me a bottle of wine as well. It has a very homey feel. The fridge and another artwork here. Depicting cooking blenders. Like they have a blender in here, more cooking utensils. The kettle, the microwave. You can cook yourself, but since I came here, I've not been cooking. They feed me my morning, afternoon, and evening. So, and this is the room. The room is quite big. It's okay. We have an AC and everything. Another aspect here which is super cool. And the bed is a bed. Okay. Yeah, and the TV. In my room, I could see the whole family. Everything. So from my room, see there's the pool and everything. It's rain, so the floor looks wet. So yeah, this is the hall. Sorry, I've already packed my stuff. That's why my stuff are on the seat. From the waterfall, I'm going right home. So yeah, there's the hall, the AC, the TV, there's DSTV, there's free Wi-Fi and everything. Here. I don't want to butcher the name of the place. Is to be here, so go check it out. My stay was 1,900 cedis. That's how much in dollars to be right here. Everything was 1,900 cedis. This is a cool secluded place in Aburi, and it's not far away from the ADOM Waterfall. That's where I will go after this. So yeah, and I don't know, for some reason the quad bikes are not working, so we're going to drive to the place and hike to the waterfall. It's going to be quite an adventure, right? So yeah, this is outside my apartment, and apartment number, there's this cool chair here. Ouch! You can sit outside and admire the view, the pool area and everything.
It's calling me, like the rainbow, It's calling me, like the rainbow,
You guys know I can't swim, so I don't have any footage of myself in the pool, but very soon, yeah, very soon. I'm getting ready to go to the waterfall, so yeah, you guys should check my feet. Currently walking to the waterfall. Yeah. come here. They come all the way here. Hey! Comment down below, guys, if you like to come here in the evening, like walk here with friends or walk here alone, walk to the waterfall alone in the evening. Guys, can you see this? Come at the view at the back. No, wait, let me show you guys. It's cost 15 cedis per person to visit the ADOM waterfalls. What you saw earlier is the pay point. So after the pay point, you walk for 2 minutes. I mean, that's what my tour guide said. So I'm going. Can you guys hear the sound of the waterfall? The waterfall is so beautiful. The hike to the waterfall is not, oops, I almost fell. It's not easy. I'm not that fit. So I remember the last time I stepped foot in the gym. I think the beginning of this year I've never been to the gym. It's also part of the reasons why I'm so tired. If you've watched the vlog to this point, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And share the video to your friends, your families, your exes, your boyfriends and your sugar daddies.